Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve filters not working on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve filters not working on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Instagram and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Instagram. If you will find the update, you can update your app in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.